Hello friends, welcome to lmscity.com. In today's video, we will see how you can elevate any user to the admin role in your Moodle site. Now, first I will show you as a test user and show you that it is not having any admin privileges. And then I will show you how you can elevate that user as a admin for your Moodle site. So let us log in first as a normal regular user. And this will be the user which I will be using for this demo. So now you can see that for this user there is no site admin privileges here. And now if we would like to elevate this user as a site admin through our database, all you need to do is just navigate to your database. And here, as you can see, now I am on my PHPMYadmin where I am managing my development database. So this is the development Moodle database, Moodle 430, which is running the Moodle 4.3 version, recently released. Now here on this database, you need to find out first of all the user ID for this test user. So now first I will go to the users table, which is mdl_user. Here you will see all the users created on your Moodle site. So now you can see that we have total 3 listings on this table. The first one is not the one. The second one is the first admin which we have created while installing this website. So now this is the third user which is having a username of test user and first name and last name as the test user here, as you can see. Now what you need to do is you need to note down this ID for this specific user. So as you can see that this user is having ID 3 for this specific Moodle site. Now all you need to do is open your config.php file in a text editor. The config.php file is generally located in the Moodle root directory where you have installed the Moodle. I will just go back to my server and here you can see that I have Moodle 430 directory, and here I will just open this config.php file. So now I have opened this config.php file, and as you can see that this file contains all the details of our Moodle installation. Now what you need to do is just add a new line in this file somewhere where you would like. Generally I will prefer to add it at the bottom of this file, and then you need to mention this specific thing here which says that $CFG, then arrow, then site admins is equal to, and this value between the commas includes the ID of the users who are the site admins. So as you can see that 2 is already mentioned here, which is the first admin what we have created while installing this Moodle site. Now instead of this we will mention 3 because 3 user is the ID which we would like to elevate as the site admin for our Moodle site. Now just make sure that you have closed this comma and there is a semicolon after the closing of this line. Now just click save changes for this config.php file and go back to your Moodle site. Now I will just go to the test user page and I will just reload this. So as you can see now this user has the site admin privileges for our Moodle site. So this is how you can elevate any user as a site admin for your Moodle site. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.